I put some eggs in boiling water and was amazed. For today's recipe, I will start by adding 6 eggs to a liter of boiling water. These 6 eggs are already beaten with a teaspoon of salt, but you can add more than 6 eggs if you want, depending on how much you want to make. I'll leave it here without stirring for about 2 minutes, or until it cooks and becomes firmer. There, guys, the 2 minutes have passed, and now I will mix it gently so that it cooks on both sides. This recipe is easy and quick. I'm sure you'll love it. Now I'll let it cook for 5 minutes on low heat. After the time, with a ladle like this, I will drain the eggs well, then remove them from the pan and put them in a container. I would like to know if this is the first time you've seen one of my recipes. Tell me how you make eggs at home, and tell me if it's the first time you've seen that you can cook eggs in boiling water without needing to fry them. And look what a wonder, people, but the best is yet to come. You will be surprised by the results of this delicious recipe. You're probably wondering what we're going to do with all these eggs cooked in boiling water. Now we reserve these eggs and move on to the next step of our recipe. In a pan, I'll add a little olive oil. Also, a diced onion. 3 crushed garlic cloves, and I will sauté for a few minutes for the garlic to release all its flavor. Now I'll add half a chopped green bell pepper, half a chopped red bell pepper, a diced tomato, and mix everything very well. You have no idea how delicious this recipe is. By the way, could you tell me from which country are you watching us? I would love to send you a greeting in our next recipe. Today I want to send a big greeting to Samra Galani from Pakistan, Moheba Safe Eldin from Egypt, and to Same Magapi who follows us from South Africa. I'm glad you enjoy our recipes. Now we season with salt to taste, a teaspoon of ground oregano, a teaspoon of paprika, a pinch of black pepper. Mix for 2 minutes or until all the ingredients are incorporated, but let me know below how you like eggs. Once the vegetables are soft, we'll remove the pan from the stove. Now all we have to do is add this sauce over the eggs we prepared earlier. This will add flavor and spices to our eggs, super different at home without having to fry them. Here at home, this recipe is a must for breakfast. It only takes 10 minutes to make. I would like you to rate this recipe from 1 to 10 to know if you liked the result, with 1 being very bad and 10 being very good. All that's left is to serve and enjoy this excellent recipe. But tell me below if this is the first time you've seen one of my recipes. I hope you enjoyed following this recipe as much as I enjoyed sharing it with you. I thank everyone for watching my recipe to the end. See you soon in the next recipe.